Yes, AutoChief, new week, new car. Gotta pay attention. It's your man QB of Fair Japan. But when you see me, I tell you always, leave the government in for the government. On the street, call me QB. And me, when I hear Kwawu, I for come some. So I represent, yes, team me a day inside the Kwawu, centers settings, yeah? But yeah, as I come here to, I for climb that thing. They call it paragliding, white boy English. And there, people know what I say soon. BBI say, yeah, not so. It's me that me come and I'm home and pay. That's my man too. Me want to touch him and because if you've been watching my show, you know the engine bay section is sponsored by Totachi. It's Japanese premium engine oils and ATFs and other automotive parts. It's me who me say, yeah, come on. Now you're there.
Oh, so you say Totachi dear.
If I bank, they didn't come.
Totachi dear. So you say Sisia dear Bibia. Ya just say be boafo Bibia. Yeah, kobe bia. Ako ekwewu no. You say number of cars ne be movie from Accra, ebifi Kumasi, ebifi other regions ni na ebakwewu. That's the center. Eba Easter where there's the center of everything. Yes, you to anamoba has be who say more cars na efro pepon. Ebi krate san yo went me amfro. Ni na efri say ebi mo kra nya Totachi oil engo mo kemu. But Totachi so ye fully Japanese oil. Aye they are fully synthetic. E Ghana see out me transmission oil and engine oil. Fully synthetic.
In fact, as you may one said to me or saw microphone no kasa when he held the microphone he could speak. And also, what job title cry is then?
But you're a sales and marketing manager, Totachi.
If that's the reason why the man can talk, See, Ghana, we don't want to waste too much time. We forgo to the paragliding. But yesterday when I was climbing the mountain, right, I just could see that some cars were struggling. So what could be the reason? I mean, in Crawford say, I had no altitude no was true. And see, I didn't think I had cars in the brain. Let me understand.
All right. We are very simple. The one thing if you don't have a good, let's say, gearbox oil a walk we bit me ama e pushi okana abasho both manual in transmission oil and your friend is saying automatic ni na when you good one a bit me ama okas na pick selectors na correct a bit me afro people na okana better sign and also engine now we use so you have to get the right engine oil a bit me ama a pick level altitude no correct one a bit will bit me afro so oko use normal ones ibia and ya no mu dey be there one here okay you better sign and no ntikra na who cars be bria a pack sequence so mo ntimi amba no
okay na ye jira me hu mokai Totachi. Okay. Asa na me hu. Say me hu we maybe that me hu me say we engine oil. Me hu 0W20. Eno I say share the same.
All right. Car say bagana ni na ye use ha no dodo na use ebi na use 0W20.
And new cars na.
New cars dodo na cars abanna. And ade ba kwa eboa kra we ye oil no ho ye. Hu APISP na egu ha say no. As American Petroleum Institute approved. And SP na kire say cars eba this year bagana ni na from 2020 eko ni na no. They have this oil in their car. They are ready to go. They are good to go.
In fact, Ghana, wouldn't say Juma, just and then Koye Beji, now so yeah, Juma fry. Into Papa me Hano. Ah, Mr. Say Mr. Set, aha, Set Eskin, where they are Dawasi. AutoChief, we came, we had to see all the paragliding stuff, we had to do all that. At the same time, when we bumped into Autotachima, we had to do business. Understand that? So we keep it quite brief. We are here, we're done.
Please, we are having a litter free festival. Please don't drop any litter around. Put everything in the bin. Lucozade Energy, we are waiting for you. Lucozade Energy, we are waiting for you.
Yes, AutoChief, new week, new car. But you know, say this time I for swear you. You know, be every week where you go see car. This weekend we did live up the mountains. Go. And when you come to Kowo, if I link up with the big people, impressive comfort. It's a who come for. Who papa we are? Koko we. Saka. What is that?
Yeah.
With the control the town. But you see this man, Bentley trading. In fact, electricals there. You see this man, that man knows this man. Accra knows this man. They call him Azuma. You see, so when we come to for touch base, you see, when you come and you see landlords pay homage, understand that. Also, you call the words from landlord. You see you. Yeah. Powerful. Men at work. Men at work.
Right. Okay.
West Africa Army, Etibukum part of the video. It is 6 minutes, 5 minutes.